1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first off, we're going to do a tutorial for this motion with the hips alongside some hand styling. I'm going to take this leg here, I'm going to use it as my standing leg. My weight is over on this leg and my hip is also in this direction. What's going to happen next, I'm going to basically be transferring the weight over, but not before a little scoop up. To achieve this, I take the tilt of my hips, which is like this, and I change the tilt. So it was here, and I push this side up and this side down without pushing in this direction. We're not pushing this way, we're pushing up. And you can help that a little bit by bending and straightening the respective knees slightly differently. So if it was this bend, we swap to this side. The difference here is rather than just transferring the weight, which what we might do for a side to side movement, is we're keeping the weight over on this leg. So we're moving the hips, keeping the weight over on this leg, which does feel a little bit odd, because what we want to do is rather than just going straight across, is we want to go up and down. So we tilt the hips, we now start to transfer the weight, pushing the hip in this direction here, and then we soften that knee to then bring the hip down in your scoop. Okay, and then we repeat on the other side. We tilt the hip, but we don't transfer the weight just yet. Then we move the weight over, the hip comes diagonal, and then we soften this leg here to bring it down. And by soften, I just mean bend gently. I don't want to do this, but just soften gently that knee as it comes down. So here, tilt, push, and bend. Tilt, push, and bend. The more you practice this, the better you will get this particular hip movement. Now we're going to add some styling to it because this is a bachata styling class. So what we're going to do here, our hands, you're going to think from that little finger, we're coming up and then down, and my fingers are stretched out. So we're here, I'm taking the little finger first, stretching it out, keeping the distance between my fingers, and I'm coming round, 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 one at a time until we're there. So each one is going to start slightly earlier than the other until it gets to the end. I'm going to start here. As this hip goes up and over, the hand is also following it, okay? So let's give that a go. Our hands are here. We're going to go up and over with the hands, and then the fingers are also going to follow. So in this position, weight over to this leg. We're going to go up and down, up and down. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is part of a longer choreography piece that I have coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for more.